Meaning and purpose of data collection. We know that the purpose of collection of data is to find out the evidence for reaching a sound and clear evidence of the solution of the problem. In economics, we generally heard statements like, after many fluctuations, the output of food grains rose to 102 million tons in 1979 from 90 million tons in 1971. After that, production of food grains rose continuously to 230 million tons in 2016 and finally touched 350 in 2017. Now what we came to know from the given statements that the food grains production is changed over a period of time. It is different from year to year and crop to crop. What is variable? Variable are the values that keep on changing. These are represented by letters X, Y or Z. The value of each variable is an observation. In the above example, the years can be taken as variable X and production of food grain can be taken as variable Y. What is data? Data are the values that these variables hold. It is a tool which helps in understanding the problems by providing information. Types of data. The data can be divided into two categories: primary data, secondary data. What is primary data? The data which is collected by researcher through conducting a survey are called as primary data. Suppose you want to know about the popularity of a particular business tycoon amongst the students. Then you need to do a survey on large group of students. Then the data which you get is primary data. What is secondary data? The data which have been processed and scrutinized by some other agency. Then it is called as secondary data. Such data we can get from the published resources like government reports, documents and newspapers, etc. that are written by economists. For example, after collecting the primary data on business tycoons, you publish a report. If somebody uses that report, then it becomes secondary data for them.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.